वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12 थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री पार्ट 1 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इसमें क्लास 12 थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री पार्ट 1 के अंदर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है, इफ अ लाइन मेक्स एंगल 90 डिग्री 60 डिग्री एंड 30 डिग्री विद पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड जेड एक्सिस रेस्पेक्टिवली. That means positive direction of x angle, x axis angle 90, positive direction of y axis angle 60 degree, positive direction of z axis angle is 30 degree. Then find its direction cosine. चलो देखते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारे पास क्या इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मेट है। तो आप जानते हैं डायरेक्शन कोसाइन ऑफ एनी लाइन, डायरेक्शन कोसाइन ऑफ एनी लाइन आर डिनोटेड बाय एल एम एन. सो direction cosine of lines are given by L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta and N equal to cos gamma, where alpha is the angle with positive direction of x-axis, beta is the angle with positive direction of y-axis and gamma is the angle with positive direction of z axis. तो here आपको दिया हुआ है कि line makes angle 90 degree with x axis positive direction of x axis, that means alpha is 90 degree. तो आप यूज कर सकते हैं L इक्वल टू व्हाट, that is cos 90 degree. आप जानते हो cos 90 degree is what, 0. So this equal to what, 0. And M equal to what, that is beta. So beta is what, making angle with positive direction of y. So this is given 60. So m theta beta is 60. So this is m equal to cos 60 degree. And cos 60 degree is what, half. In the same way, n equal to what, cos gamma. Gamma is the angle with positive direction of z axis. We are given 30. So you can write cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is what, root 3 by 2. So direction cosine of the line making angle 90 degrees, 60 degree and 30 degrees what, 0, half and root 3 by 2. LMN are direction cosine, value is 0, comma half and root 3 by 2 are the direction cosine of this line. समझ में आ गया? ओके, वेरी गुड. नाउ चलो आते हैं सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हमारा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. If a line had direction ratios 2, -1, -2, determine its direction cosine. Here direction ratios of line are given, okay, and determine, and we have to find direction cosine. आप जानते हो कि किसी भी लाइन की डायरेक्शन रेशियोज को क्या करते हैं, डिनोटेड बाय ABC. सो डायरेक्शन, इफ direction ratios of line are, if direction ratio of line are A, B, C and L, M, N are direction cosine, then that means if direction ratios of line are ABC and LMN are direction cosine, then क्या होगा, L equal to what, A upon root under A square plus B square C square. In the same way, M equal to what, B upon root under A square plus B square C square. N equal to what, that is C upon root under A square plus B square plus C square. So if direction ratios of line are given ABC, then direction cosine LMN are given by L equal to A upon root under A square plus B square plus C square. In the same way, M equal to, यानी कि M equal to what, B upon root under A square plus B square C square, and N equal to C upon root under A square B square C square, where ABC are what, direction ratio and L, M, N are what, direction cosine. So here direction ratios are given, that is A to B minus 1 and C minus 2. And we have to find direction cosine, that is LMN. So L equal to what? A is 2. So this is 2 upon root under. This is A, so this is 2A square plus minus 1A square and plus minus 2A square. So we know this is 2 upon, this is 2A square 4 plus 1 5 and this is 4 9. So this is root under 9. So root under 9 is what? 3. So this is 2 by plus minus 3, but here we are taking only positive sign. In the same way, now B is what? Minus 1. So here minus 1, and now we know the value of A square, B square, C root under is what? 3. So we can write directly minus 1 by 3. In the same way here, C is what? Minus 2. And again, a square root of A square plus B square plus C square is what? We have already found 3. So we can put there 3. So required direction cosine are 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 is the right answer. तो ये था हमारा पार्ट 1 3 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री क्लास 12 के क्वेश्चन. पार्ट 2 में इसके आगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. थैंक यू.